Hello everyone. We present our approach for treating bursal-sided partial thickness rotator cuff tears. After confirming the integrity of the articular-sided rotator cuff insertion, the arthroscope is redirected into the subacromial space. A routine arthroscopic acromioplasty is then performed. Next, the arthroscope is placed through a direct lateral powder following careful debridement of the rotator cuff footprint to create a bleeding bone bed. A 4.5 mm medial root suture angle is placed close to the torn tendon edge. Through the anterolateral powder, 4 1.0 mm Q wires are evenly passed through the residual tendon tissue. These wires are then exchanged for 18-gauge spinal needles. Under direct arthroscopic visualization, a number 1 PDS suture is percutaneously introduced through healthy, intact tendon fibers using the spinal needles. The anterior limb of the PDS is retrieved through the anterior powder. A suture hook is then introduced through the anterolateral powder into the glenohumeral joint and is used to pass a second PDS suture through the intact 4-thickness tendon. The medial root ankle suture is then retrieved anteriorly and shuttled through the anterior thickness of the tendon. This process is repeated for the remaining 3 ankle sutures. After confirming satisfactory distribution of all 4 sutures, the optimal sites for the lateral ankles are identified. Pilot holes are drilled at the lateral edge of the greater tuberosity, and the sutures are fixed using push-lock ankles to complete a double root repair. In conclusion, this technique preserves the intact articular-sided tendon fibers while achieving strong fixation via a 4-thickness double root repair technique. That's all for our demonstration. Thank you for your listening.